Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this is a Hyundai Kona key fob, and this is the flip key. Model years 2018, 2019. So this flip key, the key to this is there's two small indentations on this side of the key. So we flip the inner key open to get access to the battery. You'll take a small flathead screwdriver. If you have like a little mini screwdriver set, something like this, it's really handy. I'll link to that in the video. And there's two spots where you can pry apart the back of the case here. So there's one right here, and then there's one down here. So be careful to get both of these. And so stick in the flathead screwdriver, just kind of pop that back off there, and then again down at the bottom here, same thing in that spot, and you'll be able to pry off this back part and get access to this inner part of the battery. And for here, there's two small Phillips screws to get access to the battery that we need to change. So just take a small Phillips screwdriver. Again, you can get a little kit like this for a couple bucks on Amazon. It has some Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. So just unscrew the two small Phillips screws here, and this will get you access to the internal part where we can change the battery on our key fob here. So once we've gotten those unscrewed, we'll see the battery type here. And the positive side is up, and this is a CR2032. It's a very common button battery. And to get access to this, this is in here pretty tight, so you'll need to take your small flathead and just kind of try to pull it with your fingers and then get underneath. So pull it one way, get underneath, and then you'll be able to slide out the battery. And then pop in a new CR2032. It slips in there pretty easily. Reattach this part here, covers the battery. It kind of slides in down here at the bottom, and then just go ahead and screw the top in like so. Tighten those down. You can reattach the backing here, and this will just pop back in. Remember, again, there were two spots here that we pried it apart. And be careful you don't crack the back here like I did, because I thought there was only one spot here, but again, there's two indentations, if you can see there and there, to insert your flathead to pry this off. And there you go. That's how you replace the CR2032 battery in a Hyundai Kona 2018-2019.